Welcome to the Focus University course on addresses and contacts. In this lesson, we will go over how to view addresses and contacts. To begin, you will need to locate a student. There are several ways to do this. You can go to the blue backpack, which is the student's menu, and click Student Info. And this will take you to the search screen where you can begin typing a full or partial name or an ID. You can also go to Student Info under Featured Programs, or you can just begin typing in the search bar right here under Find a Student. So we'll begin typing a last name and click Search. A list of students meeting that criteria will display. Click on the student you're looking for. This will take you to their general demographic page. From here, you can click on the Addresses and Contacts tab from the list of student categories on the left. Each address is displayed as a separate block. So you can see here and here are two different address blocks. At the bottom of the address block, address icons will give you a quick reference as to primary residence, which is the blue star. The orange envelope indicates a mailing address, and the green bus and red bus are bus pickup and drop off. Only one address can be designated as the student's primary residence, and the primary residence block will always display in the upper left corner of the screen. When an address is designated as the primary residence status will be removed on all other addresses. The yellow icon in the upper right corner is a Map This Address, which takes you to a Google Maps window. And you can click out of here to get back to addresses and contacts. Any contacts at the address are listed beneath the address. So you can see here there are two contacts for this primary residence. If you hover your mouse over a contact, a small pop-up will appear giving you information about the relationship, contact information, and the contact's priority number. If you click on the contact, it will open up to a new window which allows you to view or edit information. To get back, you can just click Cancel. Any contacts who are not associated with an address are represented by their own contact block. So you can see contact number 4 and contact 5 have their own window, but they do not have an address. The contact icons at the bottom of a contact block, right here, or next to a contact in an address block, give you information about the contact and the student. The pink gavel represents custody. The yellow triangle indicates that this is an emergency contact. The green car indicates permission to pick up the student. And the red notepad contains information regarding that contact, but keep in mind this can be seen by anyone with permission to view addresses and contacts. To print the addresses and contacts page, you can click the print icon up in the corner. To navigate to the next or previous students, use the navigation arrows. You can also find students with the pull down, which is a list of all the students in the school listed alphabetically. So you can just scroll up and down, or you can type in a student name in the filter box. And finally, if you need to include inactive students, you can check this box, which will include any students who have withdrawn within the current school year. This concludes the lesson on viewing student addresses and contacts.